Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yes, in today's video, I'm showing you a special and a secret skills not all software engineers know about. Yes, I believe you watch my video. I know you want to know this special secret that not all software engineers know of any level, either software that's a senior level, either software developer that's a junior level, either software developer that is any level of any kind. So this video, I'll show you one of some skills. Any software developer, any software developer is 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 just very hard to know. Like, okay, let's move to what I'm talking about. So this is just what I'm talking about. This is, I believe, obviously the code I wrote here is a Python code, and it obviously has some bugs in it. Obviously, yeah, this is where the issue is. Then this is not a complete if statement made on this code base. But why I run the code on the console here, I got the error message saying syntax error, invalid syntax error, invalid syntax, based on this if statement. So I can decide to what's it called, I can decide to Google this error and see what caused the error, if assuming I don't have the inkling knowledge of how a Python or an if statement is used in Python programming, for example. So that's why I'm making this video. For anyone, this is special skills, and not everybody know about this. So this video is just about telling you guys how to you can learn how to Google well, because not all people know about how you can Google well. Because most times when you have an issue in your code base, you will always reverse to Stack Overflow on Google. But when you want to copy your most times when you might feel like copying your error message into Google or Stack Overflow, and this skills is about you copying copying the error message from your code base and placing it inside Google well. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the error message. I want to copy it. I want to place it inside the Google. I'm placing inside Google. This is where I'll place the error message. When I place the error message, it will be in this form. to be in this form. Okay. I'll create an air quote here. I'll place an air quote between the end, between the first character on the word error message. Now I'll place an error message. I'll place an error message at the last character of the word of the issue of the error message. That's what I mean. So after placing this, what I'm talking about. You place the word, the air quote in the before the first character of the message, and place an air quote at the last character of the message. So at the last character of the word of the error message. And when you've done that, you just click enter to check the search results. Can you see? This is what I'm talking about. So this is where you have to can decide to pick any random result and use it to debug your code base, and that's just how it is. So the emphasis here is just based on the air quote, because sometimes you might feel like, well, I don't need to bother about putting an air quote or not. I don't put about the air quote or not, because I have to debug this code base as soon as possible without wasting any time at all. But when you need to debug your issue, debug your error message effectively without any issue at all, air quote is recommended. As air quote, putting air quote at before the first character and the last character of your error message is required and is recommended. So to get what you want at the end, because sometimes there's some syntax when you place on Google might not understand until those syntax are placed there before Google can give you what is expected. That's just how prompt engineering is. Sometimes when I give a good prompt to an AI software, AI product, I get a good response, an expected response. But sometimes when I place a bad prompt to an AI prompt, I get a bad result or an unexpected result. So all these things have to you have to check all these things. All these things have to be put in place for you to get what you want at the end. So that's just it about this video. So if you have any question about what I have said in the video, you can just let me know in the question below, and I'll answer your question. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this coming up your way. Yes, thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.